welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a preppy tiny home speed build, and this is different content than what I usually post, but I'm starting to make this content again. And yeah, if you enjoy the video, make sure to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe, and turn notifications on so you get notified every time I make a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video. If you wanted the tour, that was at the start of the video, and sorry for the background. Somebody's mowing the lawn outside. So yeah, and also I did change my username, which is really mean because I do it a lot and it's going to be difficult for some people. So if you have any questions, comment down below and ask me and I will reply. And also, I I'm going to try not to change my username again because I have changed it a lot of times. That's all for today. Bye, loves.